All right. So, good evening, everyone. Online team, can you hear me? Online team, is my voice is clear? Let me test. Okay, thank you. So, let us start the session. Let us make it like a regular session only. I will continue from where we have given pause actually. 5:30. Now, the running notes. Yeah, it's a data visualization. Somebody remind me, I may help today's session as a recorded session because many students absent, right? Yeah, let me help to them. Can I add something here? Did you remember anything? Correct. Now here, Jupyter installation is done. And here, let me add, these are all libraries. Matplotlib. Anything? Seaborn yet to install. Once we're done, then we can add. Fine, right? Hmm. Let us stop. Yeah, from this index data, what is a data visualization? Common data visualization techniques like advantage. There are few examples. How to install Matplotlib, line chart. How to create a line chart, sir? What is the function? Plot. Nice. Next one is a bar chart. Two types, vertical and horizontal hidden. And in bar chart, by loading CSV file, I explained, I'm sure. Did you remember? Yeah. From there, I just need to continue actually. It seems to be my voice is bouncing. Good. I hope we done this one, right? Now I just need to continue this. And yeah. Next one is a histogram. Come on. Let me give a small explanation for bar chart one more time. Sir, it's a very simple. The bar graph, or also called as a bar chart, is a graphical representation of categorical data. What is that one? Categorical. To understand about the categorical, generally that is a ML terminology, but we no need to touch ML. Once after this data visualization is done, I will explain the NumPy. After NumPy math actually, during math you will understand what is a categorical data. These are all things. But keep in mind that if you wanted to represent categorical data, best example, this is a very common. Let us take a student number one. What is his grade actually? And the student number one, subject 1 marks. Student number two, subject 2 marks. Sometimes categorical with number, it will be map actual. Let us take a Samsung mobile. What is the number of count of sales actually? iPhone, what is the count sales? How many things got defected items? How many things got sold item actually? These are all things. Okay. Now, yeah, let me ask a simple question. By looking at which one is the best month sales? Next one, second place. Now, please focus September, October, November. What is that one? September, October, November. You may even, I can sense that all are equal. A kind of some slight difference is available. Am I right? To recognize that one, the next visualization map is like this actually. What is this one? Please observe this one. Did you sense something here actually? It is not a, can I say small steps actually? Step number one, step number two, step number three. I mean to say that whenever you are visualizing with bar chart, here we may not sense either that is the same or not. until till some focus is required. Maybe your batch or some other one. One person asked a question. Here, what is the count actually? Can I say some 200 plus? What is the sales actually? 200 plus 213, right? Can I say what is this one? May 213. Here, can I print 213? You can print. You can print actually. On top of the bar graph, if you want, you can print. Just you need to add one syntax here and there. Keep in mind that, right? There is no limitation. Now, creating a bar chart, even this one is the bar chart only, but this bar chart literally helps you where are all equal partitions, where are all stepwise small minute difference also you can easy to understand. Small syntax change, that's it. Do let me know what is this one. Width 1.0. If you want, you can try with 2.0, 3.0. What is happening, you can cross verify, right? Oh, please move on. This one also bar graph. Next one is the histogram. Next one is what exactly? Sir, damn sure interview question. Keep in mind that. Let us continue with the discussion. What is the question? What is the difference between bar chart and histogram? The interview question will be, kindly please explain about the difference between bar chart and histogram. Histogram, please understand. Let me explain the theory. A histogram is the graphical representation of quantitative data. Talk with me. What is that one? Quantitative data. Graphical representation is categorical data. Repeating again. Histogram is talking about quantitative. Quantitative means numerical data. Quantitative means what exactly? Numerical data. Good. This displays the frequency of numerical data in a bars. Talk with me one more time. This displays the frequency of numerical data in a bars. Hold on. I will give you one nice explanation. Let us take a list. Values equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 10, 10, 15, 20, 33, 20. Talk with me. 10 how many times available? Come again. 4 times. 20 how many times available? 3 times. And remaining all one time. Did you notice that? Now 10 how many times available? 4 times. If you want, you can visualize this one. Now, each value, the frequency. Can I say this is the count actually? This count you can visualize. This count you can visualize actually. Where it helps, let us take Amazon, sir. There are some different products, product prices actually, right? Let us take 1,000 rupees and 1,000 rupees and 1,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, and keep on. These are all things actually. End of the day, they will do 1,000 rupees product on an average 15 sold out. 2,000 rupees transactions on an average 5 sold out. Now, if I said 1,000, how many times actually? 50. That matters. Sometimes by looking at this graph, you will understand there are more sales related to, $13 and $19 product. That's what you understand. Are you getting with me? Yeah, good. Now let me explain. Nothing is there, sir. Nothing is there. Import matplotlib.pyplot as a PLT. Like we are importing the so-and-so package. I would like to say list of values. What is this one? List of values. We can find out the count of each and every value by using. Nice. And X label, Y label. What is this one? I will cry. Functions. What is that one? Function. Yeah, good. Next one is a title. What is that one? Function. I know this is the sorry for getting X axis, Y axis, Z axis. Since childhood I learned actually. Good. Next one is here the function name is a hist. What is the function name? Hist. Hist of. See, keep in mind that when you're talking about other thing, it is by default X is required, Y is required. But here, whenever you are specifying about the data over x-axis it will plot actually, and the frequency automatically y-axis it will take a count actually. Right, good. Now 12 how many times available? Tell me. 1, 2, only 2 times, right? Just try to observe here. Now, yeah, 12 how many times it is available? 2 times. This is seriously good actually. Did you understand? And 11 why here is one more bar actually? Maybe 11 is available. 11 how many times? 1, 2, that's it. That's it, sir. Did you understand? Good. Let me execute this example. Which one? Bin, sir. You can just That's the difference between the spacer, one bar to another bar. What is how much difference is needed actually, that you can try, you will understand. Change in the given example, change small value, you will get a clear picture. Today is a regular session, so please focus. If you want, I will take this data so that I can plot, you will understand clearly. Is it okay? Let us take this one. Always play with your data, sir, then you can feel more comfortable actually. Save this one, demo.py, go to desktop and programs, and you can run this example. Notepad plus plus I covered, right? So did you try Notepad plus plus? Maybe 10. Yeah, look at this one actually. 10. Do let me know, sir, how many times? 4 times. Then next one is a 20. 20 stands in second place. Next one, these are all one time actually. By looking at this one, you can easy to understand. $10 products are more. $20 products are standing in second place. Remaining all equality. These are all things actually. Hmm? Did you understand? Now, next analysis. Why? What might be the reason? Why $10 products are more? Let us know. They will do small R&D actually. If it is really more, they will try to increase the business here actually. They will give a small offer. Now it is a 4. Then once they have given small offer, it may be increased to 10, 14. I mean, ultimately they will pull our leg, sir. Any business, they will pull our leg actually. Keep in mind that. Hmm? Close this. Take this one. What you need to do? Instead of list, you can create a data frame. Take the single column actually. That single column supposed to be like this actually. Did you understand? Now what you can do, we do have a scales, sales data sets actually. You can apply unit prices, or else how many quantities actually. Sir, if you understand the topic, you can apply wherever you want actually. Please keep in mind that. Yeah, exactly. That's the difference. That's the difference. Next one is a pie chart. Next one is what exactly? Pie chart. Please focus. Now look at the diagram. Look at the diagram. Sir, pie chart means kind of some circular graph. What graph actually? Can I say 360 degrees actually if I say pie chart? Am I right or not? Good. Now there are 3 members: Daniel, Srinu, Prasad. Maybe some portion. These 3 are brothers actually sharing the properties. Or else these 3 are the, kind of some different activity. Chocolates, they're sharing something like this actually. Who got more portion? No doubt at all, sir. Now just I do say. Yeah, look at this one. Daniel 62, Prasad 48, Srinu is 36 actually. Good, we'll see. Now here also, what is the function name? Pi. And here, kind of some numbers we are providing. Labels, my favorite syntax. Very good. First of all, let me explain this one. Then I will enter into the definition actually. This is the circular plot that has been divided into slices, displaying numerical proportion. Displaying what exactly? Numerical proportion. Trust me, these are all things in our childhood we focus actually, but all businesses will use these are all seems to be basic graphs, but very powerful information it will be displayed actually. Every slice means a piece of data in the pie chart shows proportion of the elements to the whole actually. Hold on, you may not sense the not that much very colorful actually. Am I right? Not that much effective color. Move to the next example. Sir, how is this? Perfect. Pretty nice colors actually. Mean to say that it's a kind of some tampering. Makeup. What is that one exactly? You can understand actually. You can apply. Colorful, you can apply actually. We'll see. First understand the previous example. This example also you can easy to understand actually. We'll see. This data visualization documentation is seriously, I felt so much challenges to make it like this. Good. A large category means that will be occupy larger portion of the pie chart actually. Very good. We'll see, sir. Come on. I mean to say that. Let us take this one. We'll do one thing. Hold on, please. We'll do one thing. Can I make it? This is a kind of some quantity, and can I make it? This is the products actually. Is it okay for you? Then, can I make it? The first one is a Samsung. Next one is a iPhone. Next one is Nokia. Very good, sir. Up to you. Next one. Now here, what I need to provide? Talk with me, sir. Quantity. Labels equals to product. Simple. Now run this example. What is access? Hold on, I will tell you. Access, there are few values actually, and we'd have other example. But as of now, equal means I just wanted to proportional all values give equal priority. Equal priority. Backend, some calculation will be happen. It will provide no partiality. I mean, in terms of all numbers equal priority actual. If you want to change this value, let us give this one is a 90. Let us give this one is what exactly? 90. You can give any value. Let us run this example. Please understand this. Now, please observe this one. Yeah, interesting. Total 360 degree circular. It is done some calculation. You may ask, what is that some calculation? Hold on. Come here. There is a document. This document I am not covering actually. This I will share with you. You guys need to walk through. Regarding the pie chart, what kind of calculation happen in the back end? I just wanted to know, Daniel. Simple, sir. Click on this one. Just try to walk through. Here I have given a nice explanation. You can easy to understand. You can walk through some calculation. How it is 20%, 25, 35, 20. You can walk through actually. Did you understand? Remind me today. I will upload this document and a second part as well. Okay. Let's move on. Let's execute this example. What we done actually? Students we are taking, points we are taking. It's a kind of some slice information. What information? Slice information. Now just try to come here. Samsung, iPhone, Nokia, right? Now come here. Let us delete this one. Now run this example. Just try to say. Did you understand? If you provide the label, then the values will be assigned to this one. Values will be mapped to this one. Did you understand? Good. Now, Daniel, this is not that much effective in a color actually. I need more effective means let us understand. Same copy paste code actually, more extra parameters will come. That too, all are my favorite syntax. Keyword argument. So, understand how to play with the keyword argument actually. Is it fine? Can I give a small 1 minute introduction? What is a keyword argument actually? Is it fine? I hope you already know. Let me explain in a effective way actually. Did you understand? Good. Let me give a small introduction. Keyword argument. Topic name is what exactly? Keyword argument actually. It's a right time. I hope you already know. Sir, in Python programming language, there are mainly, so 5 types of arguments would you have. But among 5, only 4 are important. The first one is a positional, second one, keyword, third one, default, last one, variable length. Right, good. Now, when I'm talking about def m1, def what exactly? M1, kind of, yeah, come here, details. And here, name, comma, location, print of name, print of location. Now here, let me write a statement. My statement will be, my name is, provide comma, my location is, provide the separation. My name is and my location is. Now run this example. Yeah, you have created a function having 2 parameters actually. Let me provide Daniel and let me provide HYD. Did you understand? Sir, this example is called as a function with parameter and function with positional argument. What is that one? Positional. Same example. Let us try to convert into keyword argument concept. What concept? First of all, run this one actually. Yeah, first of all, run this one. Good. Uh, It is not a limitation. Here, order matters. What matters? Instead of first one is the Daniel, let us provide a Hyderabad. Let us provide here Daniel actually. Let us provide here what exactly? Daniel. Let me print this one. Read the first output actually. My name is what exactly? Daniel. What is this one? My name is, oh, seriously? My name is Hyderabad actually. Seems to be. Now, I cannot say there is a small limitation in a positional argument actually. Positional argument follows the order. First variable, first parameter capture the first value, second parameter capture what exactly? Second value. Right. But here, what you can do, where name is available, if you know the name of the parameter, if you know what exactly name of the parameter, you can use that name of the parameter to get the right output, to get what exactly? This is seriously super. Can I say this is what topic, sir? That's what you need to understand. In our total example, what exactly we are doing, only function calling over keyword argument we are applying. You need to think logically. Back end, there is a function they define and they made it hard coded value is name is a keyword argument. What is the name actually? You have to imagine. You have to imagine. Hmm? Getting, I guess. Okay. Let me drink water. Once you know the topic, you can judge actual how the explanation is coming. That's the beauty with the subject. Online team, can I get a response? How are you, sir? Online team. Let's move on. Let me give a small suggestion. Now it's a right time. You guys need to focus on this one. Now you guys are learning technology, right? You guys are learning data science. Learning what exactly? Data science. Frankly speaking, really very good. Really what exactly? Very good actually. Let me show you the effective way of learning. What is that one? Effective way of learning. Generally, let me learn the course according to the domain wise. According to what exactly? Let us take a e-commerce domain. What is that one, sir? E-commerce domain. What you guys need to do is under e-commerce domain, first initially don't target much actually. Learn 20 scenarios. How many scenarios, sir? 20 scenarios actually. 20 scenarios. Exactly. All EDA project what we done, 10 scenarios you can get it actually. How many scenarios? Once you understand 10 scenarios, from the Kaggle, you can walk through 10 more scenario. And once you understand this scenario, now target the 30 scenario. Now target what exactly? 30 scenarios. Scenario means example. Best example. We played with the date and time column. Am I right? Sir, adding a column to the data frame is one scenario. Changing the name of the columns for the data frame is one scenario. Take a date and time column. Over that, we added a 3 to 4 columns. That is 3 4 scenario. Like this, if you are able to finish minimum 100 scenarios actually, team, you know what? Automatically, you will get a real time vibes actually. Why? Because you are learning and applying over the domain. That's really good pattern. My suggestion with my learning experience when I was learning actually, like this, no one didn't guided. But whenever you are learning, choose one domain. If you like banking domain, over banking, yeah, hold on, you may ask a question, where we will get it out, where we will get these are all things actually. Where we will get, you may ask a question, e-commerce, these are all things. Open Kaggle. Sir, luckily, uh, Kaggle is a open source. Kaggle is what exactly? Open source. You can find a lot of example. And here there is a search button and e-commerce. You can just try to search e-commerce. What exactly? E-commerce, enter. Then here you can find on an average 3000 scenarios. On an average, what exactly? Anyway, 3000 maybe belongs to machine learning, deep learning, some other scenarios actually. You might aware about pandas till now. Am I right? By using pandas, what we can do? EDA, right? Now click on here, e-commerce, click on EDA project. What projects? Search this one. Sir, on an average, 734 results actually. How many results? 734, man. Out of this 700 scenario, let us click on only Python. Total how many? 541. How many, sir? I can tell you one thing. Out of 541, if you are able to learn, if you walk through one by one scenario, I'm sure you can find out here and there some few easy scenarios for you. If you are able to execute 10% of scenarios, 50, I'm sure you will become data scientist very easily. And easy, sir. From our session, you can execute these are all examples actually. That's very simple. Like this unit. Now, next one is what exactly? Another domain is banking domain, right? Banking, EDA. Simple. Just try to see how many? 841. I mean to say that banking related example. Now, total how many actually? 735. Sir, frankly speaking, if you learn like this, actually, I'm sure you will become number one data scientist in this world, actually. This world means to learn, you no need to jump anywhere. Here onwards, let me give a small suggestion. Like, when when I'm when I'm trying to referring any technical discussion, I like three websites. The first one is the Stack Overflow. First one is what exactly? Very big developer community actually. Second one is the Kaggle. This is only for data science. Third one is any idea? Hmm. Medium. What is the third one actually? Don't ask. Telugu medium or English medium actually. It's a website. And here, sir, you can find out lot of examples, man. Real-time scenarios actually. But medium is a paid. Medium is what exactly? Paid website actually. Paid website. Monthly $5. Monthly what exactly? $5. Nothing is wrong in that. Sometimes if you pay money, you will understand. Arey man, I paid money. So $5 means I 400 actually. Did you understand? It's good to pay. Sir, I'm paying Netflix for minimum 600 actually. How much actually? I mean, this is the knowledge rather than Netflix. Netflix is just entertainment. Keep in mind that. Learn where you can find the right stuff actually. And for you, I can give a suggestion. Kaggle is the best man. Maybe one day instead of session, I will take one Kaggle scenario in front of you and I will execute cell by cell. You will get to know how we can take the scenario, how we can download the data set from the Kaggle actually. Did you understand? One day I will take a session. Maybe next week let us plan once in everyone presence actually. Okay, fine, sir. Yeah, can I stop my overreaction? Say yes actually. Online team, can I get a response? Bhupesh, take the code actually. What exactly you're asking, First of all, can somebody explain what is this one? Apply is a method. By using that, we can add a column. We can add what exactly? Column. That point you need to understand. This backward slash s, percentage s, formatting the string. What is that one? Formatting the string. You need to execute small basic example. Then here you can easy to understand what is going on. Next one, x of day. I mean to say that. So this is kind of some data frame. From the data frame, we are adding day, month, year. Axis equals to 1 means which column? Column wise. That's it. Understand the code like that actually. Very simple. Bhupesh, I hope you got it. Let's move on, please. Learn the course with domain wise actually. Learn the course with domain wise. Luckily, from the Kaggle you can find out lot of domains actually. Very good. Where are, yeah. Good. Go back. And this is the example. What examples are? All right. Come on. Products. quantity, Samsung, iPhone, Nokia. Let me talk about 124 and run this example. Yeah, you can please observe this one actually. Seriously, very good. Come on, sir. Let's move on. You can easy to understand what is going on. Now, please focus. This example I just wanted to implement. Let me explain line by line what is going on. You will understand actually. Yeah, good. Now, exactly we are providing colors equals to C. First of all, C equals to Y or B. What is the Y? Any idea? Yeah, okay. Y equals to C or B. Y or B. R means B means blue. Like this, we may have few more colors that you can ignore. What are all colors we have actually? Small game in our childhood. What is that one? Color. Yeah, I hope you played actually. If you didn't play, colors. Control Z. Colors equals to C. Run this one. Uh, can I use the syntax kind of quite different actually? Yeah, this one. Next one is labels equals to. Next one equals to colors. This syntax is literally very good. Am I right? Talk with me, sir. Now run this example. Nice. Compared to previously, somewhat beautiful. Can I say that one? Yeah, good. According to you, if you want, you can apply actually. You can apply some different color. Next one, shadow equals to true. What is that one? Shadow. If you run this one, the background shadow may not that much be appearance actually. But see, let us apply kind of some shadow. Now come here. We are simply adding a keyword argument, sir. Apart from that, nothing. These are all you no need to remember. From the documentation, you can get to know a clear picture actually. Just try to see. Yeah, hold on. Can I say this is somewhat shadow added? What added actually? That too, where you can find good shadow, if you split this slice, you can easy to understand actually. Did you understand? Good. Now, how many keyword arguments actually? Three. First one, labels. Next one, colors. Next one, shadow. So, keyword argument is a damn very important. Very important actually. That's what. If you by reading also you can easy to understand. Overall, put a option today, they can think like Daniel session. By reading, you can understand actually, but they may not connect a few points actually. What is the point? Keyword argument. That to today I have explained like a kegel, medium. These are all things actually. Yeah, good. Next one. Exploit equals to 0.05, comma 0.05, 0.05. Can somebody tell me what is this one? Any idea? Explode equals to some space. What is this one? I need a technical discussion. What is this one? Come again? Float. Okay. You guys are almost near, but are you not seeing anything? Yeah, tell me, boss. Tuple actually. Good. Now please observe this one. Run this example. Sir, very good, right? Somewhat. It is splitting in such a way that actually take our existing diagram only, right? Then you can really sense nice way. Take this one, students and points. Take here also students and points, and I need your help actually. The first one is a point, here is students. Now run the code. Wow, this is seriously very good actually. Zero, how much you have given? 0.05. Hey Daniel, previously one student asked actually 0.04, right? Can I give 0.5? Sir, don't give. What happened? You may ask a question. Let's see. Which one is the east for us actually? Which direction is the south, east, northwest actually? Please observe this one. Yeah. One is that one, this one. It is going something like this. Did you understand? The space how you are providing literally, the gap is like that actually. Did you understand? Like that, right? Now here 0.05, 0.05. If you want, you can minimize also. But this looks pretty good. All let's move to the discussion. Yeah, Daniel, Prasad, Srinu. Very good. Nice diagram, sir. Seriously, nice diagram. Next one, explode equals to auto PCT. What is the next one? Auto PCT. What do you mean by auto PCT? Run this one here. Can somebody talk with me? What is the Daniel portion? Go back and cross verify. 62. But here that portion value we are not getting. Like a person. If I say total 360%, what is my proportion? What is Prasad proportion? Srinu proportion? If you need those things actually, auto PCT, a kind of some floating value, kind of execute a kind of small Python example. What is this one? It's a kind of some floating point value representation. 0.1 means one decimal, sir. One decimal. If you want, you can provide two actually. Now run this example. Observe. What is my proportion, sir? Talk with me. 42%. Next one. 32. Next one. 24. Talk with me. What is it? Are you able to? Oh, you are not able to see. This is what exactly, sir? 40, 42, 24. Next one is 32 actually. Let me change the value. Come on. Prasad Daniel. Next one will be, let us take a Harshini. Harshini came. She also needs some hair properties actually. It is okay. Hair gold cost will be, let us take 15 lakhs. How much, sir? 15. Let us give a 15 actually. Just assuming that. What happens, sir? Oh, then definitely. There are few parameters you need to touch actually. What are the parameters? Just try to come here. Yeah, one explode you need to add. 0.05. What you want? You want to play game actually? Yeah, very good. What color we can add, sir? Green. Let us try. That too we need to observe. Either green is available or not actually. We'll see. Which one? Anything do I need to change? Let's run this one. Yeah, very good. Very good. I hope you got it actually. Can I say small cake piece actually? Very good, sir. Conclusion of the story. Who is the more portion? 38, 9.3, 22 actually. This is dominating, sir. This color. Am I right? Yeah, good. Like this, we can apply different colors. Take this example. Play with the example. My suggestion will be no logical thinking. Existing example you need to understand. No logic, sir. No logical thinking. Understand how, what function name, what parameter, what keyword argument. That's it. If you're talking about other programming languages, you need to break your brain to understand the logic actually. But here, not like that. Just learn the function, how it is working. Learn whenever you are calling something, it is written some variable. These are all things actually. Okay. If you want, we can stop AC sometime. Then we can on in between sometime actually, if you want. Otherwise, that is okay. Why? Because I'm getting sleep actually. Hmm? After some time, when you feel comfortable, no need to ask a permission, you can directly start. These are all attributes I have explained here. You can please continue this one actually. For cross verify, somebody is asking a question. Blue and black actually. Good one. Then walk through the documentation. Sir, if you need to plot the data in a blue and black color, then both colors starts with what exactly? Blue. Then how we can plot actually? Such a nice question, man. Right? Then let us just try to solve this one. Come here. Plt.plot. What is a parameter? Colors, right? Go back and cross verify. What are all colors we can apply? Documentation. Colors, documentation. Now click on this one. Color. How many colors it is applying? We'll see. Color equals to none as of now. Control F, Control C. Sorry, Control C, Control F, Control V. 6 times it is available. What are all colors we can apply? Click on this. Documentation, colors. Something like a WebJar is there. Hmm? Base colors. What is this base color constant? Okay, then directly you can Google it. Blue and black. Blue and black actually. List of named colors. Seriously, very good, sir. List of named colors. Here you can walk through. Click on this. Maybe here you can find out. Yeah. Kind of some tag actually. Hmm? Where is the black? Black for K, sir. Black for what exactly? K. Can we apply? Are you ready? Where blue is available? K. Now run the code like this. That's what you no need to remember. You should sometimes, yeah, we are getting a black color actually. When you are growing in technically, few searching keywords matters. If you know the problem statement very well, how you are searching, you will get the solution very easily. See, even I'm not aware what is the color name actually. It doesn't mean you need to remember everything. Sir, our we do have a small brain. That too, 90% belongs to family tensions. How much actually? 90%. 1 or 2% belongs to subject actually. Did you understand? Kidding, sir, please. My brain is 90% subject. Online, did you understand? Can I get a response? Sravan, you got it, I guess. Lot of colors. Who asked this question? Walk through, sir. Oh, fine then. These are all parameters I'm explaining. Move on to the next one. What is the next one actually? Talk with me. Scatter plot. Sir, important. When I say machine learning, the first topic is this one only. When I say machine learning, the first topic is this one only. The topic name is called as a scatter plot. What is the topic name? Scatter plot. Understand? Very interesting and it is very easy. In scatter plot, each value in the data set is represented by using a dot. By using what exactly? Uh, every data point like a x and y, it is representing with a dot notation. What notation? Dot notation. By using this plot, we can understand the relation between two variables. Very, very important. Let us take we already know this discussion. What is the discussion actually? Let us take a area. And next one is tell me, did you remember? Right, very good. Rice packs actually. Uh, you may say, I have 1 acre land, 10 rice packets, sir. 2 acre land, 20. 3 acre land, 30. 4 acres land. How much actually? 40. See, I would like to say this is for understanding purpose. Understanding purpose actually. But let me tell you, the reality will be, let us take the same data. The reality, yeah, area. Next one will be, sir, if you're having 1 acre, maybe I can say 8 or 9. Did you understand? That's what. But this 8 is, can I say, near to the expected predicted value? Yeah, good. Now let us take a 2 acres land. You can get 21 or 22. Who knows actually? Hmm? Now next one is what exactly? 3. For what exactly? 27. Maybe depends upon some weather condition. Birds came and they eaten some seeds actually. That's what 3 rice packs gone actually. Did you understand? You can tell so many kakama stories actually, something like that. Now for 4, sometimes everything is good. 45, like that. I would like to say this data I'm taking for your better understanding. But still, let me tell you, if area is increasing, rice packets also here also same. If area is what exactly increasing, here also what exactly? Yeah, increasing. 1 8 2 21 3 27 4 what exactly? 45. Please keep in mind that actually. Good. Now just try to come here. Now I just wanted to find the relation between in area and rice packets actually. If you wanted to find the relationship, If you wanted to find what exactly, sir, relationship in between the variables, in between what exactly variables. Today is a lesson for me. I should not conduct the Saturday session. Why? Because everyone didn't came actually. Did you understand? Yeah, maybe I need to appreciate whoever all came. Then go for scatter plot. Go for what exactly? Scatter plot. Scatter plot. Let us just try to apply this one. To find the relation in between two variables, this is literally helpful for us actually. Please observe area 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rice packets 1, 10, 2, 20, respectively 550. Simple. Sir, what is the function name? That's it. Area, rice packets. Come here, execute. I like this kind of generic examples, sir, so that you can connect the subject very well. Since your childhood, here and there, your father or your grandfather may be farmer. When I'm saying this kind of example, it will be immediately connectivity for you actually. Please observe here. Right. Now, what is x value? 1. What is the y value? 10. Scatter plot. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. 1, 10. Keep your cursor here. 1 over the x-axis. 1. X-axis, what is the y value? 10. So, scatter plot represents something like a dot notation. What notation? Dot notation. Keep in mind that. Hmm? Getting right? Yeah, good. Now, let us change the value. 1, previously, what I have given? 8. Next one is 2. How much I have given? 21. Okay. 3, 27. 4, 45. 5, tell me which one. You want increase or decrease? Come again? 60. 60 or 65. It is okay. Nice. Now observe here. Now, even compared to previous diagram and this diagram, wow, slightly started the game like here actually. It is keep on growing something like this. Did you understand? Now, if you connect the dots, the line will come actually. What it will come? The dot literally helps you. uh, Even if you don't have a unknown data like somebody having the 4.5 acres, sir, then you can do prediction on an average. It will be in between this value actually. If you want, you can. Did you understand? Let's move on. Creating a scatter plot. Creating what exactly? Even the random values I have taken. Hmm? You got it, I guess. Next one, box plot. Next one is what exactly? Box plot. Hold. Box plot. Let us discuss during maths. During what exactly? Maths actually. Um, in every interview, this question will ask, sir. Without this, without this question, there is no interview. There is what exactly? No interview actually. Keep in mind that. That much very, very important. When I say box plot actually, seriously, very, very important. Yeah. Let me tell you, box plot means by using that one, what we can do, 5-number summary we can draw. What we can draw? 5-number summary. 5-number summary. When I say 5-number summary, the first one is the minimum value, and the last one is the maximum value. Last one is what exactly? Maximum value. In between, 25% value. What value? 25% value. Next one, 50% value. Next one, 75% value. These are all you can visualize, and you may not understand today, but I will show you. But for your better understanding, if you want, I can draw. If you want, I can draw actually. As of now, don't try to understand the concept actually. Whenever you are creating a box plot, whenever you are creating what exactly? Box plot. Let me give a small quick introduction instead of skipping actually. Hold on. Let me talk with you in it practically. Is it fine if I'm using Notepad plus plus actually? Hmm? Yeah, values equals to. So tell me 5, 10, 15. Oh, hold on, 15. Next one is a 20. Next one, 25. Next one, yeah, first of all, let me explain about this one. Talk with me first one. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Can I say equally divided all values actually? This is one kind of data. Now take this one. By using this one, let us create a what is the minimum value, maximum value, middle value 15, q1 value 10, q3 value 20. I will tell you, middle value is the 15, that is q2 actually, and q1 value is the 10, and q3 value is what exactly? 50. Sorry sir, 20 actually. Hold on. Now let me tell you, can I say uh, total data, target the middle point actually, go to the left hand side. What is the minimum value? 5. What is the maximum value? 15. I mean, let us take 1 year data, sir. What data? When I say 1 year, how many months? 12 months. Split into half year. First to 6 months, next to 6 months. Ignore the second 6 months actually. Focus on the first to 6 months. Do some analysis. And the second part, do some analysis. And now the next one will be, that is one type of analysis. Second one will be quarter analysis. What analysis? First to three, second three, next to four, next to three, next to three. Like this, divide and conquer. Divide and what exactly, sir? You will understand pin to pin about the data, sir. Sir, let me tell you, data science means understanding about the data effectively. Client will give the data, and you need to spend with the data some days. Generally, even I used to get a requirement from the client actually. uh, I cannot start the code directly. I will ask a permission. I no need to ask a permission. Client will tell, spend some days, and only having a cup of coffee, or else having some energy drink actually. Then understand what is the first column, what kind of data, second column, what kind of data, third column, what kind of data. You need to spend and understand by applying some techniques actually. Did you understand? Yeah, good. By using this one, let us just try to plot. Let us just try to plot what exactly, some box plot. Let me plot this one, you will understand what is going on. If you want, you can, yeah, this data also can take it, nothing is wrong in that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, it is okay. Good. Now create a box plot function. Can I say, maybe the one who created a matplot actually, he likes functions, I guess. Am I right? That's why he created everywhere function. Right. Now it's a right time I need to tell. Maybe this point may not required for you. When I'm saying like a Python support two things actually: functional programming. Next one is what exactly? Object oriented programming. This may be common question in between Java developers and Python. When should we go for? When should we go for what exactly? No, FP, and when should we go for? Hmm. When should we go for what exactly? No, when should we use oops actually? Might be very not a common interview question. You should aware, sir. When I'm talking about the functional oriented programming language, I'm trying to creating a one program. For that program, security is not my concern. I'm not talking about the security. Just to create and access, that's it. Security is not a problem for my project. I'm going to implement a project actually. That project supposed to be invisible to everyone. That project I just wanted to expose to everyone. Go for functional oriented programming language. Such a nice practice actually. But now I'm going to create a project. Are man, first to security matters. What matters? Security matters. Then go for whoops. Go for what exactly? This is one of the main reason. Like this, would have a many other reasons as well. Like in future, I may talk about encapsulation, data hiding, polymorphism, inheritance, blah blah blah. Many stuff will come actually. Whoops. When I say whoops, actually, did you understand? Yeah. No one will not ask, but you should have an idea. When there is a security is a concern, security matters. Go for whoops, object oriented programming language. Class, sir. Class will bring huge security. That's what in Python all are classes only. Python what exactly? They made it like that actually. Even if you create a function, backend class will create. Backend which one will create actually? Did you try it or not? I'm not sure actually. Even if you create a function, backend class will create actually. Do you wanted to see that one? If you guys are looking at me like a doubtful actually. A equals to 10, B equals to 1.23, C equals to Daniel, D equals to 10, 20, 30. Now DEF, something like a F, column A, B, C, D, E, F actually, print of 5. Tell me, A, B, C, D, name of the variable, F is a name of the function. Can I say? So here, type of A, next one, print of, type of B, next one is A, B, C, D. Sir, sorry, this is E, right? After D, what is the letter? How I forget alphabets actually, sir? Now observe here, run the code actually. Even though last one is function, backend what it is creating? Class actually. Beautiful Python. That's what Python is called as a pure object oriented programming language. You do something, class will come and it will take the chair and it will sit in your room actually. Did you understand? Such a beautiful concept, sir. Love the technology. Focus more on Python. Python is beautiful, sir. Even if somebody is talking with me, he is explaining about a requirement, my way of thoughts and my way of thinking will be always mapped with the function. Now Python, how to apply, what to apply, what this guy is asking, what we can do, these are all slowly by slowly increase. Yeah, no doubt Python is seriously king, sir. Something like a sing is a king. I mean, I'm sorry for telling that one. Same thing like that, Python is a king actually. Oh, let us just try to take this. Hmm, already copy pasted, right? Now, yeah, let me execute this example. What is the time? 6:30. Come on, go back. I don't know. Today I'm feeling to explain more GK stuff actually. End of this session, let me explain regarding. You remind me. I will tell one more topic actually. The topic name is a how open source. Remind me that word. Otherwise, I will forget, sir. Okay. Yeah, I will explain. Go back and back to the topic and let's run this example. Just try to see. Wow, seriously beautiful. Can I say this is the data? Yeah. For this data, we created a box plot. This is called as a box plot actually. Seems to be lunch box. Am I right or not, sir? Okay. Carries chinnappudu in our childhood, our mother or sister, brother will bring some carriage if you go to the school very late actually. During that time, if lunch is not prepared by mother, good. Now, can somebody tell me what is the minimum? The minimum value is the bottom level. What is the minimum value? 10. What is the maximum value? 50. See, according to that minimum value, the line indicates to this one. Really good. And maximum value 50. And middle value 30. Middle value is what exactly? 30. Very good. Now, the data is more disciplined. This value, Q2 value, what is the Q2 value? 20. What is the Q3 value? 40. What is the I'm sorry, man. This is the Q1 value. What is the Q1 value? 20. This is the Q2 value. This is the Q3 value actually. Did you understand? Good. Hold on. Take this example. Company have given the data. I came across data is more disciplined. Data traveled like step by step, first step, second step. This is something like a exactly how you walk, like a you will walk catwalk, right? Catwalk in the sense, if you take a scale from your first step to second step, the distance is the same actually. Am I right or not, sir? The data is traveling like that. Now come here suddenly, sir, first day Monday sales 10, second day 20, third day 30, next day 40, next day 50. Suddenly something happened, 110 sales. How many sales? Let me tell you, 1 to 50 data discipline. Discipline in the sense sales are seriously, it followed one pattern. But suddenly something happened. What is the sales actually? 110. Otherwise, zero. Otherwise, what exactly? Now draw the diagram. This is seriously beautiful. Wow. Look at the data, sir. Look at the diagram. It will give a nice analogy. Man, from starting here to here, the data traveled seriously very nicely. But something happened. The data point is very far. These are all data points are best friends actually. 1 to 50. Array, you are my friend. You are my friend. You are my friend actually. But other data is telling what exactly? No, maintain some distance. Something like 110 actually. I would like to say this is called as a outlier. What is that one? The data point which is very far from the common data. The data which is very far for the common data, that is called as a outlier. Damn sure into your question, man. By using box plot, you can recognize outliers. By using box plot, you can recognize what exactly outliers actually. Sir, did you understand? Good. Right. During data analysis, we need to remove this data. During data analysis, what we need to do? We need to remove. I will tell you why to remove actually. Did you understand, sir? Good. No, otherwise, still you can take something like a 90 instead of 10 difference. Let us take care this one at least actually. Please observe this one. Still there is a difference actually. Just try to see 90. And there is a meaning. Why this one is a big line actually? Why in between very small line? There is a meaning. These are all I will explaining during the topic. The topic name is a, let me show you. Otherwise, 5 number summary. Read this word actually. What is that one, sir? Box plot. And regarding box plot, on an average, 3 topics, man. How many topics actually? 3 topics. I will explain and I will cover. Okay. Outlier. Just try to see. Here also you can see outlier actually. All right. You are going to learn many things actually, but as of now, let me park this concept. Did you understand? Good. This one also you can understand later, sir. Yeah, heat map. This I can park actually. Why? Because definitely machine learning is really required to understand this one. But let me give a small idea. Where there is a, on x-axis I'm taking all fruits, apple, orange, banana, pear, and on y-axis I'm taking customer basket. Customer basket 1, 2, 3, 4. Talk with me. Which shade is, what I can say? Very dark shade actually. Tell me. Can I say this is the very dark shade? Yeah, good. Sir, sometimes here you need to recognize where there are more sales actually. Instead of that one plot like this, sir, here more sales. And here somewhat good sales. Here somewhat good sales. But here lesser sales. What is that one? Lesser sales. A picture giving lot of information where there are more sales. Yeah. Banana, customer basket one, he taken more banana. He like bananas, I guess. Like me. Am I right? Yeah, good. Now, if you want, you can cross verify. Basket number one. Sorry, sir. Basket number one. Yeah, basket number one. Basket number one. Banana. What is the banana number actually? Talk with me. 55. Where is, sir? First of all, let us create a data frame. You will understand clearly what is going on. Yep. Now, according to the diagram, can I say this is the one actually? What is that one? 55. Basket one, banana. What is the next one? 40. What is this 40? Apple, basket 4. Just try to see here, more sales actually. What is this one? Pear fruit, basket 3. Only one, sir. Only one actually. Did you understand? Good. Mean to say that your business you can plot by using this is called as a heat map. What is this one? Heat map. This you can ignore as of now. I will tell you later during machine learning. That's it. This one is a part number 1 actually. Part number 2 I will start on Monday, but it's okay. Let me come again. Yeah, sure. Let me explain. That you should know. Can I explain regarding the open source? Good, let me explain. Point number two, that connectivity matters. So let me talk about Python only. Can somebody tell me Python is what exactly, sir? Open source. Who is the creator? Do you think Daniel actually? Yeah, Guido Van Rossum. Guido Van Rossum. Seriously, what he done, just for fun, he started creating, and that is his interest actually. Before creating Python, if I say open source, keep in mind that what are all open sources, they do have this kind of broad mind actually. Seriously, very good. Those guys will be. Nowadays, what exactly happening, everything commercial, sir. Everything commercial. Pay and use. You have to pay and you have to use actually. That to such a great software from small startup company to top one Google company, it is using open source softwares. What software? Open source softwares. Then let me tell you, when I'm talking about the Google, out, let us take 100 applications. How many applications? Out of 100 applications, minimum 60 applications will use Python. Minimum. That's that much user friendly. That too, though it is a open source, right? Guido Van Rossum, he has really very nice thought. Let me implement, let me give free to this world. What is that one? Let me give. This one is what exactly? Free. Free to this world actual. To give as a free, guts required, sir. Frankly speaking. Now you may think like, definitely Guido Van Rossum, backend, he's supposed to maintain a team to implement new features. Am I right? Sir, if it is a open source, no salary. No salary. Instead of that one, what Guido Van Rossum will do, he will send a small kind of one small announcement. Hey boss, I am planning for new features actually. If anyone is interested, you can kindly please collaborate with me. I will explain the new features and we can implement a Python programs. And that features we can release in what exactly? Upcoming versions. Then who are all so-called top, everyone can involve. And here these guys will give, like let us take a Google company. There are two members. They like to involve here actually. Those two members will work with Guido and Rosam and tell me the features we can work together actually. This is called as a, they will share. Though this is seriously good programming language, right? They will give their time, kind of some time contribution actually. Did you understand? And this is the great communities. The two in Stack Overflow, who are all very good Python developers, those guys can support actually. Now let me talk about the Google company. Though if for these guys also systems required, maintenance required. Am I right or not, sir? That is not a joke actually. Maintaining a like a open source software. Google company, not only Google, almost all software company, they will raise fund and that fund it will be give to the python.org organization actually. With that they will maintain some furniture, they will maintain the bills for company. Definitely some infrastructure is really required actually, right? Google google fund to Python. Can I use Google Finance in Python? Yeah, February Google Cloud has donated. Seriously, very good. Did you notice here actually, sir? This is 2021. Google Cloud has donated how much actually? 3,50,000 to what exactly? Python Software Foundation. Seriously, very good. So the thought, what he had initially, let me give as a free. Instead of making Guido Van Rossum as a free, who are all downloaded, we have to pay or phone pay 10 rupees. Or what exactly? 10 rupees. Sir, he will become billionaire actually. He will become. That many companies are using Python. Apart from that 100 members, we supposed to pay 10, 10, 10, 10 rupees actually. Did you understand? What happened, one day, same, assuming that, let us take a Daniel. I'm kind of some junior data scientist in a small company. Let us take a, something like a Infosys company, junior data scientist. Where exactly, sir? Infosys company. Then on an average, 3 years of experience I do have. Then in my free time per day, 1 hour I'm giving it time. How long time actually? 1 hour. Giving time, giving time, giving time to PFS, Python Software Foundation, PSF or something like that. Python.org actually. I'm giving it time. Though I'm giving it time, slowly by slowly, I became very close to the Guido Van Rossum. Here onwards, whenever you are giving any other interview, in your resume, if you have added a word like, "Arey man, I worked with the Guido Van Rossum." I worked with what exactly? Sir, no interview. Trust me. Yeah, no interview. They will ask, "Sir, how much package you need, sir?" That's what. The dedication practice really matters. That bring you to the next level actually. Did you understand? So keep in mind that just adding one word, I worked with what exactly, no? So I worked with in such a way that like a Python organization has an open source team. Per day, 1 hour, I'm giving it time. That sentence is enough, man. They will not do test also. Oh, seriously. And maximum if they are doing testing, they will ask, show me the mail ID. They will give me, they will just ask the mail ID. Then definitely you should have a mail ID, Daniel at the rate python.com actually. Something like a Gmail. Nirikshan at the rate gmail.com. How would you have? Nirikshan at the rate python.com actually. If you're having that mail ID, bus. Katam. I'm sorry for saying. Bye bye. Next one is Gaya actually. Am I right? Yes. Good question. Let me answer this one. It is presence in physics, or won't they asked in the proof actually? Yeah, if they're asking also, we can present. Are good question. Currently, I'm working in a GE company, ma'am. Which company you are working actually? GE, General Electric, which is a product-based company. As a senior data scientist, recently I promoted to senior. Okay, I like. I got a promotion to the next level where there is no coding actually. I rejected that one. Why? Because where there is a coding, I love to involve. And when you are growing in experience, management they will maximum try to avoid to write the coding, and they will give more responsible. Lead the team. I will give 10 members actually. You no need to code actually. I won't like those activities. I like to code. Even 20 years, 30 years, 40 years actually. Learning the code and sharing the code. I like these two things actually. Did you understand? My other code required actually? Not required, right? Just fine then. So fine, sir. Kind of some short session today. Though Saturday. So what is weekend plans? Sunday no plans actually. Chicken biryani must and should, right? Any any vegetarian here actually? Raise your hand. Vegetarian, sir. All are vegetarian. Sorry, sir. Okay, good. All right. Online team. How are you? Let me talk with the online team actually. Online team text me. Even offline wanted to know who are all joining from which location. Who are all joining from which location? Just share your location name. We'd have another 5 minutes. Srija visited native place. It's okay, boss. No worries. Sriram sir, California. Sneha Nagpur. Slowly, 1 minute, 1 minute. Sneha Nagpur, Amarshin Pal, sorry, Patel, Kolhapur, Pavan Bhimavaram. Sir, near to Kaiklur actually. Come one day for lunch, I will invite my native. Okay. Sirisha ma'am, Nizamabad. Srikant sir, Hyderabad. Srikant sir. Sir, are you working employee? You are joining online, right? You can still visit one day Amirpet, offline session. Arati, Gurugram. So, Subhash. Yeah, Odisha. Bhupesh sir, Nagpur. Yadaya sir, Hyderabad. Dinesh, Canada. Canada. Sapna, Nagpur. I'm next to your hometown, sir. Yeah, good. Ganesh Warangal, sir, you can tell few about internships actually. I will tell you Vivek, Maharashtra. Archana, Hyderabad. I'm from Jalalpur village near to ECL. Okay, good. No worries. Akash, Nagpur. No worries. Karnataka. Okay. Nandyal, Andhra Pradesh. What is it? Good, man. We are touching total India, I guess. Kerala students are not there. Kerala. Anka, any other? Tamil Nadu, not there. Next time, share one of your friends, man, please. Okay. We are touching almost all total India. Good, boss. I will tell you one small point. What is the point, Assuming that initially what exactly happened, my father is a farmer. Let me tell you, small point. My father is a farmer, sir. My father is a farmer. Then almost 2 years, my father done farming. My father done farming actually. And third year, we supposed to start farming. Third year, we supposed to start farming. But unfortunately, my father was not well during that time. And we didn't farm anything. And we didn't, I hope we didn't take in any seeds, and we cannot scatter anything actually. The thing will be after 1 or 2 months, I visited my that land actually. I hope that yield, that land, like the farming land. And though even we are not farming, something is growing. What is that one? Grass actually. What is that one? Grass. Today I would like to give a small motivation. If you are continuously practicing, this is something like a farming. You can get the right yield, you can get the right fruits actually. If you're not farming, still something will be grow in our brain. That is something like a grass, which is there any use because of the grass actually? Don't think like a, sir, I have a buffalo farming, tell me your land actually, I will bring and it will eat. Please stop nonsense actually, I'm sorry for saying. So the point will be, if you're not doing right thing at right time, what is that one? If you're not doing right thing at right time, something is going wrong. I mean to say that morning 9 you need to start the practice, that is the right thing at right time. Assuming that unfortunately suddenly something happened, you are not doing practice, means at 9 right time, but we have to do right thing, that is the practice actually. If you are not doing, means you're doing wrong thing. What do you mean by wrong thing? At least watching YouTube is the wrong thing. Opening Facebook is nonsense. Sorry for saying. So learn. There are few students, because of me they blocked Facebook, I guess actually, right? I'm not saying in such a way that utilize this time, sir. This time you cannot get it, frankly speaking. So do right thing at right time. This is the right time. This is the right time. Great opportunity. Many people, sir, many people, many students, they don't have a learning opportunity, but they are ready to learn. I don't know. Either you are paying money from your pocket, or your father, your mother, maybe your mother gold pledged actually. Who knows? Who knows, man? Maybe that with that money you are learning. Don't waste money. If you're not preparing, you're wasting your money, sir. Please. At least realize now itself actually. I'm not motivating you in a different direction. Please start. Till now, if you are not started practice, okay, accepted, forgiven. But start the practice. At least today. Will you start? If you wanted to start from always Python. Why? Because Python is the base. Without Python, you cannot understanding anything. You cannot understand anything actually. Hmm? Let me stop the discussion, please. If you get a job, frankly speaking, that is my success, sir. I will feel so happy actually. If you get a success, that is indirectly my success. But I never feel like a bold, hey, I trained, that guy got a job. No, no, no. I will not shell that one actually. Okay, please utilize the time and right opportunity. This is really great opportunity, sir. If I am a student like you, gone case, man. Seriously, you can see my bed something like this actually, and only practice, laptop practice, laptop practice, laptop practice, laptop practice. That's it. When you do this, practice like a breathing, man. Practice like what exactly? Breathing. Will you stop breathing? No. If you stop breathing, what happened? You should call your friend actually. Hey, man, something happened. You can please observe here actually. Am I right? During night time, maybe here we can feel something, and we may not take the breath actually. During that time, we can feel lot of problem. If you stop practice indirectly, um, that thing is happening. I hope you know what it is going to happen actually. Please, only practice helps you. That too, this is the technical stuff. Attending session, anyone can attend. Good. First part you are doing in a right one. Attending this session is seriously very good one. You are attending. Second part, only who you knows, man. Why I never point, sir, are you doing practice? Are you doing practice? Are you doing practice? Why? Because I have a trust on you. You are well matured. You crossed maybe 15 years or 18 years actually. Do you think still you are 19 years actually? 9 years or 10 years? No, no, no. Be well matured. Realize yourself. Hmm? Let me stop the discussion. Please keep in mind that what is your working hours per week actually? Good. This I need to answer. Good. What is your working hours? Mine is work from home. There is no restriction. Per day, I will get a work like a daily wise and weekly wise, quarterly wise actually. That deliverables I need to give. And but ensure that daily I used to have a two calls. One is internal call, next one is external call actually. One bridge call, morning 11:30, evening 4. These calls at any cost I need to attend rather than work. What I'm working I need to update actually in a company level. Hmm? Are you getting? And if I get a one task, uh, generally company will give on an average 10 hours time. How long time? 10 hours time per day. They will consider working hours will be 8 hours actually. But max to max, if it is a 10 hours task, if I sit continuously properly, I can close within 3 hours, sir. I can close. Why? Because I'm an experienced guy. I know very well where I need to start, where I need to quick finish actually. Remaining 7 hours, I will do documentation, and I like documentation very well. May sorry for saying I'm a good content writer. Give me anything, I will convert into very nice and format actually. Fine. Let us close the discussion. Are you ready? Do practice, sir. Tomorrow you should be a trainer actually. You should share your subject liberally and always share freely. If you know the subject, don't keep. Since your childhood, what happens, if I share the subject, other guy will grow.